Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredibly important topic to discuss: digital security. In an era where our lives are becoming increasingly digital, it's crucial to safeguard our online presence. In this video, we'll delve into various aspects of digital security, including antivirus software, firewalls, anti-spyware, user authentication types, and IPS/IDs. So, let's jump right in. First on our list is antivirus software. Antivirus software is your digital shield, safeguarding your computer against a myriad of malicious threats. Acting as a vigilant guardian, antivirus programs detect, prevent, and remove harmful software like viruses, worms, Trojans, and more. By regularly scanning your system and files, antivirus software ensures that your digital world remains secure. Next up, we have firewalls. A firewall stands as the digital fortress protecting your devices from unauthorized access and potential cyber threats. Serving as a barrier between your computer and the vast digital landscape, firewalls meticulously monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic. Think of it as the gatekeeper of your digital domain, deciding which data packets are allowed in and which are blocked. Whether it's a software solution on your device or a dedicated hardware appliance, firewalls play a crucial role in fortifying your digital defenses. Now, let's talk about anti-spyware. Anti-spyware acts as your digital detective, tirelessly scanning and eliminating spyware threats that lurk in the shadows of your digital world. Like a silent guardian, anti-spyware protects your sensitive information by detecting and removing stealthy spyware, ensuring your online activities remain private and secure. Stay one step ahead in the digital landscape with the watchful eye of anti-spyware by your side. Moving on, user authentication is a crucial aspect of digital security. From traditional passwords to cutting-edge biometrics and multi-factor authentication, these methods verify your identity, keeping your online world secure. Choose your shield wisely, ensuring your access remains exclusive and your digital presence remains protected. Last but certainly not least, we have IPS/IDs, intrusion prevention and detection systems. The guardians of your digital realm. Intrusion prevention systems and intrusion detection systems tirelessly monitor network activities, swiftly detecting and thwarting malicious intruders. They're your silent sentinels, ensuring your digital space remains impenetrable and safeguarding against cyber threats in real time. As we wrap up today's video, it's crucial to remember that digital security is a continuous process. By implementing a combination of antivirus, firewalls, anti-spyware, strong user authentication, and IPS/IDs, you can significantly enhance your online safety. Stay vigilant, keep your software up to date, and adopt best practices to ensure a secure digital experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and